So hi Kevin.
No, don't do that. You have the names on as a text. No. Online, YouTube. What is it in a system that makes you want to do it?
2013, there were only a couple of channels around. I hadn't started, but I was watching a lot of this content and it really made me laugh. So I was like, hey, this is a very new thing, I want to go and do so. So for me, it's just natural that I wanted to get all the wacky ideas in my head out. So I just started, doing small videos.
How do you get content? Like churning at such a fast rate?
Me, my brother, and some of our friends, they will help us. So what we do is, because we release every Wednesday night, once we release, Thursday we're writing script, Friday, Saturday we do pre-production, and then we'll shoot on like either the weekend or Monday the latest, so I have like one day to edit. And then Wednesday we release. In the start, you need to create content that goes viral. And when you get big numbers, clients will come to you, and the clients will give you money to advertise their product or service, whatever, right? And then when you make profits from that client job, you put it back into your YouTube videos to self-fund it, and then the cycle just goes.
I have no budget that's everybody's problem, right? So how would you advise if a young person come to you and ask this kind of question?
Just go and beg your friend and say, hey brother, sister, can you act for me, act my videos? At the start, to be honest, all our videos are go online and watch some videos and you see how they shoot.
Hey, check out a guy there, quite cute. Oh, how you doing?
Oh, bitch, get out the way, bitch, get out.
Hi.
My name is Cheok.
Are you okay? You look very normal.
I'm okay.
So how do you gain followers and subscribers?
Like, I didn't really care whether the content was good, like what's the target audience that I'm trying to reach. Like, you never know if people like content, but as soon as you put it out there, you will know. Do people like it? Thumbs up or thumbs down. It's only either one, As much as I'm a content creator, I also consume a lot of content. You draw from like movies, from like comic, from day-to-day life, and you put all this together, and I think that gives you the inspiration.
What is there to lose when you have nothing in the first place? Nothing to lose.
Lose face.
Literally. Even like when we came to this cafe to shoot this video, same thing, we just asking, can shoot or not? So a beautiful lady told us, can shoot lah.
Thank you.
So at the most, she just said no, we just go help to another cafe.